Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to prevent Windows Mobile Hotspot from turning itself off Windows. First step is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Mobile Hotspot, turn off power saving. Second step is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Third step is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand services, click and expand ICSSVC, click and expand settings. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as Peerless Timeout. Change value data to 120. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.